Hi friends, welcome to Let's Learn. Today I'm gonna tell you how to take notes. But before that, I would like to share with you why are effective note-taking skills important. Notes help you to remember concepts, develop meaningful learning skills, and gain a better understanding of a particular topic. They even lead to less stress when your tests or exams are around the corner. So now let's begin with the note-taking methods. Our first method is the outline method. This method requires you to structure your notes in form of an outline by using bullet points to represent different topics and their subtopics. Firstly, you will write your topic then in the next line leaving some margin you can write your subtopic. Again in the next line leaving some space after the margin you can write any thought, fact or example that is known to you. Follow this structure till your notes are completed. Our second method is the Cornell method. The Cornell note-taking method helps you to organize your notes into easily digestible summaries. This method is effective because the main points, study details, study clues, and summary are all written at one place. Firstly, you will divide your page into three sections. The first section is your clue section, the second is your main note section, and the last one is your summary section. Use the main section to take notes during the class. Use the clue section to review your notes. After the class, write down things you will need to remember and a prompt for each. You can use this section for vocabulary words and questions as well. In the summary segment at the bottom, write the summary of your main notes. This is where you will highlight the main points. Our third method is the charting. Charting note-taking method uses columns to organize information. This method is useful for lessons that cover a lot of facts or relationship between topics. You have to divide your page into three or main segments. When information about a category is mentioned, jot it down under the proper column. When the next topic begins, move down one row and begin again. Now, our fourth method is the mapping method, or you can simply call it mind maps. This is used when you need to revise a large topic. Write the main topic in the center of the page and branch off this topic with as many subtopics and informations as you feel you will need to cover the whole topic. This is a useful method for who need to visualize the information instead of having to read it. You can color code it as well to make the whole process easier. Our last method is my personal favorite method, the sentence method. The sentence method is simply writing down each topic as sentence. It is useful for fast-paced lessons where a lot of information is being covered. And it looks like this. So now I want to give you some useful tips for note taking. So first one is keep them as simple and as minimal as you can. Don't use all the colors in your pencil case. Don't make calligraphy out of them. Keep in mind you have no time to lose, so take your notes wisely. Second, use color codes. It's not that it makes your notes boring to be in a one color theme, but it's difficult to find what you need in a sea of black ink. You can simply go with blue or black ink if you don't like colors. Use different color for different things. For example, you can use yellow highlighter for date and time, pink for names and so on. But never underestimate the power of coordinated colors. It can save your life later when you look for specific information in a 200 pages notebook. Use abbreviations and symbols. Don't spend your time writing again and again the same never-ending words. Make your own system of abbreviations and symbols. For example, K doesn't have to mean potassium, OK or 1000. It can mean anything you want it to mean. You can use flashcards even for making notes. They are easy to carry. So Lastly, use post-its for temporary information. It will give color to your page and will remember you to look for specific information written on that. You can take it off whenever you want. That's the biggest plus point of using them. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video and find it useful, don't forget to share with your friends as well.